What's up everyone? Welcome to the screen recordings of Module 2. For this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your local business. Now, if you already have a Facebook page that you own for your local business, you can go ahead and watch this video, but do not follow along. We're going to use the Facebook page you already have. If you do not have a Facebook page for your local business, please follow along. This video is for you. I'm not going to get into the weeds of a lot of things like the profile image or the hero image or any of that. And if you don't even know what I'm talking about here, that's fine. Don't get overwhelmed. What I need you to do is follow along step by step with what I'm doing. If I'm going too fast, pause the video and then do what I did. Once you get to the screen that I'm at, play the video and do it alongside with me. First thing I want you to do is open up a new tab and go to facebook.com. Now, if you don't have a Facebook already, personally, go ahead and create one. If you already have a Facebook, you do not need to create a new one. What we're going to be doing in this video is creating a new Facebook page for your business. Now, in the past when I have taught this, some people have thought that they needed to sign out of their old Facebook, create a new Facebook for their business. That is not the way that Facebook intends it. Facebook wants you to create one Facebook account for you personally, and then they want you to build pages in that account for any businesses that you own. So go ahead and just log into your normal Facebook if you have one. If you've never had Facebook in the past, go ahead and create one. Once you have that, we can move forward. So now that you're signed into Facebook, the first thing that I want you to do is navigate over here on your left-hand side. You've got a menu, and you're going to find a button that says Pages. Now, sometimes this menu will populate different depending on how many of these buttons you've used in the past. So if you do not see a button that says Pages, go ahead and click on See More, and you'll find this little flag right here, and you're going to click on Pages. Now, if you have had pages in the past, if you've created pages in the past, you will see kind of an index of what those pages are. If you've never created a page, it might look a little bit different than this, but the principles are the same. Over on your left-hand side, there's a button to create a new page. We are going to click on Create New Page. Now, if you already have a business page for your local business, you can skip past this first video. Please do not skip past on that next one, because what we're going to do is connect it to an ad account. Again, if you've never done any kind of advertising on social media, please don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to walk you through step by step. This first video is going to set up the foundation. This is assuming that your business has not ever had a Facebook page or you don't own that page. You are going to create one. So for this example, I'm just going to call it Concrete Company Utah. You're going to put your company name in there, and then you're going to select a category. So I'm going to type in concrete, and it pops up. Now, if your category doesn't pop up when you start typing it, just pick one that's as close as you can. Don't get hung up on this. And then go ahead and skip the bio for now. And we're just going to build the very basic skeleton of a Facebook page so that we can get your automations going. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see step 1 of 5 or something similar to that. You can go ahead and just skip past this, and we will bounce back over to this later. We can come and revisit it. But for now, you're going to skip through steps 1 through 5. And there you have it. You have the basic Facebook page created. You are on your way to automating your sales process. So I'm going to just not take a tour here. You're welcome to pause this video and take a tour if you're not familiar with pages, so that Facebook can kind of show you some of the features. For now, and for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to hit Not Now. And there, like I said, there you've got it. We're going to come back later and we're going to fill in some of this. We're going to put some images here and maybe a picture of your logo. But for now, this is exactly where I need you to be, and we are going to move on to the next video. See you on the other side.